Hi, hello, dear students. This is Lakshmi. Welcome to my channel, Math Super Tips and Tricks. In this video, I'm going to discuss about the one of the important topic that is mostly helpful to the students who are preparing for the MSET. This is MSET Math Super Revision plan to get the 60 to 70 marks. MSET Math Super Revision plan is what? What you can take all these. I will discuss in this video. Before that, I want to say few words regarding the present situation. In present panic situation, mostly affected area is education. So that is you have to accept because there is no other alternate. This is not in your hand. Within short period, it will be solved. As usual, we will be engaged with our works. That will be true. So please, parents, don't worry about your child education. So it is a problem not only for only single family, it is a problem everywhere else. So we have to face it. But whatever in our hand, we have to focus for that one. Please give the space to your child, and also you can encourage them as well as whatever maybe sources are available. Please provide to them for their better progress. Most of the parents are doing this job, even the few of them are not. Please, you can do this one. At the same time, students, please don't waste the time at any cost. You have a lot of time, but most of the students are wasting the time. If you waste the time, there is no to get the better rank and best rank. You want to focus the revision, you want to focus the preparation, you want to get the better rank, that is in your hand only. So you have to do it. You can now follow your parents' guidance. You have the nowadays you have the plenty of time. So most of the time you can spend for your proper preparation and as well as revision. Then that is well mostly helpful to your better uh, progress. At the same time, timing is not a particular. According to your convenient timings, you can spend most of the time for your preparation only. Don't believe the rumors like exam will be cancelled. Without facing the examination, you can get the admissions like that. It may be, may not be, but according to my knowledge, it is 100% fake. So just believe on your work. That is only for your worth. So prepare seriously and spend the most of the time. Whatever may be examination you are preparing, take the seriously preparation and as well proper revision. At the same time, you are ready to face the examination any point of time. You may conduct any point of time. That one you have to ready to face. That is in your hand only. Just you have to use what are the available sources in your hand, like watching videos, maybe preparation of your own material, whatever maybe. We should concentrate. Definitely can get the best and better rank. That is mostly helpful to you. And don't take the tension at your mind. Just with a free revision you have to take without tension. Just you have to concentrate whatever maybe you are doing. That one put it in the practice. Especially maths, you need the practice. Practice. You have to do the practice. Then only you can remember the different types of formulas. Applications easily. Then only you can focus the examination, especially MSET. There will be 80 bits will go. Out of 80 bits, you will go the 40 from the first year syllabus, first 40 from the second year syllabus. This will be possible when you are taking the proper revision. That one you can do. At the same time, you can guide your younger brothers and sisters. I hope so you are doing it. You will do it. Now, younger brothers and sisters, this is for you. Please follow your elders' words as well. At the moment, they are your friendly teachers. Are you? Yes, very good. So, this is only you have to do at the moment. So, in this video, what I am discussing will enter into the video. In this video, I am discussing MSET Maths Super Revision Plan to get the 60 to 70 marks. I am giving here weightage of each topic first year and second year also. That is mostly helpful to you for your proper revision. I am explaining here What are the topics here? Already you know topics first year and second year syllabus. Second year syllabus first I am discussing. There will be topics in well, complex numbers and De Morgan's theorem, quadratic equations and expressions, theory of equations, permutations and combinations, probability, random variables and distributions, binomial theorem, partial fractions, measures of dispersion, indefinite integrals, definite integrals, differential equations, circles, system of circles, as well as conic section contains a parabola, ellipse, hyperbola. I have mentioned their weightage also beside the each chapter. This weightage is prepared according to the previous year's analysis. So from the second year, 40 bits will come. So here most important topics I mentioned as a square, box, square or rectangle. These we have to give the first preference. What are we have to give the first preference? What I mentioned these boxes, that is square or rectangle. These boxes are mentioned, that one you can take the first preference. Now next symbol I have given as a circle. Circle, for the circle symbol we have to give the second preference. Then I have mentioned the next symbol is a triangle. For triangle symbol, wherever may be triangle symbol, for that you have to use you can give the third preference. You have to prepare the topics easily, clearly, without tension, briefly can revise. You have to use the tips and tricks. Then you can do the number of questions within short time. That is mostly helpful to get best and better rank. Sorry, best and better rank. Now come to the next first year syllabus. In the first year syllabus also mention the topics as well as weightage. Functions, first topic is functions, mathematical induction next, matrices, vectors, limits and continuity, differentiation, applications of derivatives. In applications of derivative, there will be 4 subtopics are there. I didn't write them, just I have written only major topic. Then straight lines, pair of straight lines, locus, transformations, 3D geometry, plane, trigonometry, trigonometric branch, all these properties of triangles, inverse trigonometry, trigonometric equations, hyperbolic functions, and so on. From the first year syllabus also will get the 40 marks. Totally out of 80 marks you can get easily 60 to 70 marks. You have to follow this type. What is this box indicates what I said? This box indicates the first preference. You have to prefer the first year and second year, whatever may be mentioned beside this box, you have to give the first preference. Now, circle symbol, what I have mentioned here, circle, wherever maybe I mentioned the circle, those topics you can give the importance for second preference. Similarly, triangle, triangle you can give the third preference. So, why I am giving the first, second, third preferences, I am telling to you. First preference, more important topic as well as more weightage topic, more easy topics I have given as a first preference. Second one, medium type. Some topics we can get the marks, but average, medium level of the topics I have taken as second preference. In the last, maybe difficulty level, maybe plenty of the topics, that one kept as a third preference. If you follow the topics according to this one, definitely you can get the 60 to 70 marks. Briefly, I'm telling simply, for example, if you choose a matrices vectors, 3 plus 6, 9 marks you can get. Very, very interesting topic. These two are, there is no difficult, there is no lengthy, and mathematical induction, one question. Simple topic, only few steps, few verifications are there, you can get the easily one question. And you can come to the limits of differentiation. Limits differentiations are very, very easy. With synopsis, you can do the any type of question easily. There is no difficulty level. We can focus easily limits and differentiation. Now come to the 3D geometry. First I am explained about the boxes, first preference. 3D geometry. 3D geometry is also very, very simple. If you know the 2D, simple way we can apply the 3D also. This is we can give the second. And trigonometry is there will be plenty of topics in trigonometry. These are trigonometric topics, but in which properties of triangles. From this only nearly 3 to 4 questions we can get. A very simple topic. We have to know the synopsis. If you know the synopsis tips and tricks, easily can do the 4 questions from this chapter. This is about the box type chapters. Now come to the circle type chapters in first year. Like functions, functions also easy, but you have to concentrate the domain, range, inverse like that. So someone will feel difficulty. If you feel the difficulty, you can revise at the end. That is in your hand. So just have taken as second preference. Next, straight lines, theoretical chapter. You know, straight lines, pair of straight lines. Theoretical chapters for reading the question, adapt the data. It takes time. That's why I have taken as second preference. But there will be more weightage. Similarly, locus, transformations, planes. These are also geometrical part. So we can focus the second preference. Now you can come to the third preference of first year, trigonometry up to transmits. There will be up to transmits many points are there, many formulas are there. So not so easy to focus. That's why I have to take a third preference. If you have the time, then you can focus on this one. Similarly, inverse trigonometry, trigonometric equations, hyperbolic functions. You can concentrate hyperbolic easy only. So these for these topics it takes time. Maybe you feel the lengthy, we can refer at the end. That's we can given as a third preference. Now come to the secondary syllabus. In the secondary syllabus, what you can observe that what are the boxes topics? Complex numbers and demodes. Yeah, very easy. You can get the 4 marks. So there is no difficulty level, you know well. So you have to refer, you have to do the practice. Then only you can do it. You can get the idea about the topic. Without doing, you can't. Next, quadratic equations and expressions, 2 questions. Theory of equations, 2 questions. And random variables and distributions, very interesting topic, 2 questions. And the measures of dispersions, if you know the statistics application, formulas application very well, this is also very easy topic, you can do easily. Now indefinite integrals as well as definite integrals, you know, if you know the indefinite integral very well, what are maybe applications, tips and tricks, so definitely we can follow the definite integrals also. You know very well both are the same. In case of definite integral, extra you have to focus on the limits application. That is only, that's why hard to revise the indefinite and definite integrals easily. And if you know the indefinite definite integrals, we can follow the differential equations. Because of differential equations applications of indefinite and definite, simply have to follow. There is no difficulty level. So this is also very important. You have to take the first preference of these topics like that. Now come to the second preference. What are the topics which I mentioned in the second syllabus? Second preference, yes, permutations and combinations, probability. These two topics are application to each other, especially permutations and combinations application is in probability. So if you know the permutations and combinations very well, we can do the probability easily. Those two are the generally adapted topics. There is no need to worry. We only have to adapt in your regular life. Then those two topics are very easy for you. Next is binomial. In the binomial, then there will be a number of applications, lengthy chapter, but don't go deep. What are the basic points? Those only have to refer such type of questions only. You can do the practice. You know, partial fractions is a very simple chapter. There is no difficult at all. Only few types are there. If you refer them easily, you can focus on one question from the partial fractions. Now come to the circles, system of circles. You know, circles and system of circles, geometry part. For this, just you have to refer the synopsis and tips and tricks. Mostly, we can do the questions from these two topics. There is no difficult, but theoretical chapters now you have to spend the time for reading the question and adapt the given data, etc. But even though you can focus if you know the tips and tricks as well as formulas easily. These are the second preference topics. Now come to the third preference, conic section. Conic section also, this is a geometrical part. It contains the 3 chapters, you know, parabola, ellipse, hyperbola. These 3 topics can prepare a test test. There will be more and more formulas, but those formulas you can refer easily. If you know the parabolas formulas, you can easily apply for ellipse. You know formulas of ellipse, tips and tricks, same as hyperbola. Ellipse and hyperbola one and the same, slight difference is there. What are the difference? You have to know by your revision, by your preparation. This is about the revision plan of first year and second year syllabus. According to the previous year's analysis, I prepared this weightage. you can get easily first year 40 marks, second year 40 marks. If you take the proper revision, you can get the easily 60 to 70 marks from the max. There is no doubt about it. So if you concentrate other two subjects also, physics and chemistry, you definitely can get the 80 to 100 marks. If you get the minimum 80, maximum at least 100 marks, you definitely can get the admission top colleges. That is, ranking is important here, not only qualifying marks. If you get the qualifying marks, just you can get the admission somewhere else. But if you get the more marks, the top colleges only can get the admissions. That is mostly helpful for your future career, because engineering college there are the different in engineering there are the different types of subjects. There are technical subjects. All subjects you can follow easily only when you get the admission best and better colleges. There will be faculties, there will be lab facilities. Some colleges have the campus selections. All those are helpful for your best career. So I hope so you can do your best without wasting the time. Most of the time you can spend for your revision as well as a preparation. Don't waste at any cost. I hope so this video is mostly helpful to you. If you like this video, please share and subscribe. And thank you all, maybe viewers and subscribers. Thank you one and all. We'll meet in another video. Till then, take care. Bye.